Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and confirming your channel settings. Make sure two-step verification is enabled for security. Once signed in, click Create and Upload Video to start the flow. You should add a clear title, 1 or 2 tags, and a short description so viewers and the algorithm know what to expect. Next, pick Visibility and Scheduling. Scheduling helps you hit peak hours. This first step sets metadata and timing that determine initial reach and discoverability. Once your file is uploading, focus on creative optimization. Choose a thumbnail at 1280 by 720 pixels that stands out and create 2 4-chapter timestamps to improve watch time. Make sure captions are accurate and language settings match your audience, because accessibility boosts retention. Next, configure monetization and add preferences if eligible, and declare whether content is made for kids. That affects reach and restrictions. Finally, add cards and end screens to guide. You finish by reviewing the preview and metadata, then publish or confirm the scheduled time. Ensure thumbnails and chapters display correctly. After launch, monitor the first 48 hours for click-through rate, watch time, and audience retention. Those early indicators guide promotion. If something goes wrong, videos blocked, low quality, or no views, check copyright claims, privacy settings, and that your upload used supported codecs and correct resolution. Then iterate, tweak title.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.